Begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and very generously grease a 12-cup muffin pan. And now in a bowl, combine 1/2 cup of milk and 1 egg, along with 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then give that a good whisk just to beat up the egg a little bit. After you get that done, you don't have to whisk it for very long. Go ahead and add in your 1 cup of cream-style corn. Give it another little mix. Then you can add in your tablespoon of finely chopped jalapeno peppers and 1 cup of cheddar cheese. And just mix that all till it's well blended. Don't need any special tools. This is very easily done by hand. And these muffins are excellent to have with maybe a bowl of chili or a nice hot bowl of potato soup. So get this all mixed in, and then you're just going to fill your muffin tin, and I use a ice cream scoop to measure out the batter so that I get it evenly distributed in the pan. Just use whatever you have on hand. It really doesn't matter. So fill the cups up, and then you're going to go ahead and pop that in the oven, and you'll bake that for 18 to 20 minutes. Really depends on your oven. You know, everybody's oven is a little different. They all vary, so just use your own judgment. So after these have finished baking, let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes so they're easily removed from the muffin tin. Enjoy these, and as always, thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.